Hi, this is John with WTI, and this is my go-to watch at the moment. This is the Galaxy Watch 4. This watch, it just comes handy and clutch for me. So one of the best things, or the things that I like the most about this watch, is how stylish it looks. Like all this black material and the way that this watch is built, it looks sturdy, it looks nice. And even though it is a watch that is for your whole life, you can use it for running, you can use it in the gym, you can use it as your normal casual wear. When you change all the faces of the watch, this changes the straps and all the different availabilities for this watch is just awesome. So something else that I really like about this watch is how good it sits on my hand and the long battery. This gives me around 2 days of battery since this is the 44 version. It's bigger and it looks much better in my wrist than someone that could be smaller. So this watch, great. And this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.